This man spent $500,000 on a machine that prints houses. This machine literally builds an entire home layer by layer using concrete that can last up to 300 years. The walls are hollow, making it easy to slide in plumbing and electrical wiring. Inside, spray foam adds insulation, and the steel reinforcements give it strength. The result is a durable, soundproof, and energy-efficient structure. Here's the best part. The printer works non-stop without any breaks. That means almost no manual labor, cutting construction costs by up to 45%. And the speed is so fast you could move in within a few days to just 3 weeks. This isn't just a home. It's the future of affordable, sustainable construction.